If Chrome has started opening unwanted pages, showing strange search results, or behaving differently after an extension was installed, resetting its settings can help. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset Chrome safely and explain what changes afterward. First, open Google Chrome. Go to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. From the menu, choose Settings. Inside Chrome Settings, look at the menu on the left. Scroll down and select Reset Settings. If you do not see it right away, you can use the search box at the top of Settings and search for Reset. On the Reset Settings page, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. This opens a confirmation window and shows what Chrome will reset. Chrome will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable extensions and clear temporary data, like cookies and cached files. Your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history are not deleted. Before confirming, it can be useful to check your extensions. Open the Chrome menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. If you see an extension you do not recognize, you can remove it after the reset. When you are ready, return to the Reset Confirmation window and click Reset Settings. Chrome will apply the changes right away. You may notice your home page and search settings return to their default state. Now close and reopen Chrome, then test the browser. Try opening a few websites, checking your home page, and searching from the address bar. If Chrome is working normally again, the reset was successful, and that is how to reset Chrome settings. It is a useful troubleshooting step when browser settings have changed unexpectedly while still keeping your bookmarks and saved passwords. Thanks for watching.